Well, hello guys. This is Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Um, I was, I was, it was bugging me the fact that I couldn't use my Tab S7 as a second screen for my Fold 2. So it was bugging me, and I thought there's a way I can do this because I wanted to broadcast wireless decks on my TV, but my TV is a TCL, and TCL only uses Chromecast. You cannot broadcast wirelessly to Chromecast. You can only broadcast wirelessly decks, that is, to Miracast. So anything Samsung, LG that have Miracast will broadcast wirelessly. But it was bugging me, and I was trying to figure out a way that maybe I can use my tab as a second screen alongside my Fold 2. Just like you do with the Windows PC, using your tab as a second screen. And I had the idea of trying to broadcast, trying to send decks from my Fold 2 to my tab. I thought there must be a way to do it using second screen, because that is basically how Windows works. Let me just put this on portrait mode so it doesn't turn. Okay. So what I did was I went into my settings. Now, just to show you that, I'll also show you that I'm not using the decks on the Tab S7 Plus, but I'm using the decks on my phone, the Fold 2. Now you can do this with any phone that has wireless decks sharing. So I'm going to press second screen on my tab. Then I'm going to go to my Fold 2, and I'm going to connect decks. Look at that. Did you see that? Start Samsung decks on Tab S7 Plus. Right? Now watch this. Now I have my decks running on my tab wirelessly, and I can still use my phone as a normal phone, and I can also use it as a touchpad. Do you see that? See the mouse? There you go. I'm using it as a touchpad for my Samsung decks running on my Fold 2 wirelessly to my Tab S7 Plus. That is absolutely mind-blowing. All right, granted, useless, right? Because Tab S7's already got your decks. But if you could do that, why can't we use the Tab S7 Plus as a second screen for decks, like we do with Windows? Anyway, let me just show you that one more time. I'll double tap to get out of here. I'll turn off decks. Yeah. Okay. So what I did was, I went to my second screen on my Tab S7 Plus. Press that. And I went on my Fold 2. And I pressed wireless decks. And I started it. And there you go. Now, I'm sending wirelessly my decks from my Fold 2 to my Tab S7 Plus. I can use it. And the best thing of all, so I could use my phone normally. Yeah. So I'm going to close that. Look at this. All right, I've got it. Hold on. I've set it to. Okay, there we go. All right. So now I've got my phone. I can use that normally. See that? Normal. Yeah. Go in all my apps, my Google feed. Close. Yeah. Now watch this. This is the best part of it all. Now, look at that. My phone, wireless DeX. There it is there. Now, touchscreen. Not only can I use my phone as a touchpad, yeah, I can use the touchscreen of my Samsung DeX. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Samsung, you are amazing. Look at that. Everything I'm using here is not the DeX on my tab, but it's the DeX running wirelessly from my Fold 2. Look at this. Crazy. Look. Anyway, I just discovered that. I thought you guys might like to see that and have a play around with it. All right, it's granted it's a bit useless since you've already got DeX on your Samsung Tab. But let's just say you wanted to use your phone and your tab at the same time. You wanted DeX, you wanted your phone for something else, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Whatever. I just think it's absolutely amazing. So if they can do this, then they can make a second screen for your DeX, just like they did with Windows. Anyway, this was Cypress Real Tech Reviews. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night.